Hello everyone. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to my honorable teacher and listeners. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. In front of me, it's me, Abdullah Al-Murad. I am a student of English Fantasy. Especially thanks to authority for giving me the chance to introduce about learning English. We know that English is an international language and we speak English as a second language. English becomes the most important language to communicate with each other. Nowadays, people want to learn in English. In our country, English is the second language. English needs to be spoken at this moment. If we don't know English, we won't get a good job. If we get a good job, we must have to learn in English. Many international businesses are conducted in English. By learning English, career will be great. Many official documents are written in English. In this present situation, English can develop our skill. English is the official language of almost 53 countries. If you know English, you won't need to rely on translate, subtitle to watching your English movie, reading English newspaper, reading books, etc. All the social media used language are English, such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Good opportunity will give you good knowledge of English. You will give a good opportunity in your future. If you want to go higher education in abroad, you must have to learn in English. So we need to learn in English. Thank you so much for your nice attention, sir. Assalamu alaikum.